Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new Pyragon as well as the Vigilon. These here are brand new Nerf guns that literally just came out, in which they're actually about the all-new Vortex VTX series. Now, these particular guns shoot Nerf discs, so the concept of it's actually quite interesting. Now, if you guys want to learn more about these particular guns, feel free to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these things and see what they're all about. Alright, so this here is our Vortex VTX Pyragon. Now over here kind of shows you everything that's included. So you get 40 discs as well as a disc drum, which actually just goes that clips right in, just kind of like this picture down here. And then you have your trigger over here as well as your safety, and then you have like a pump action feel to it as well. Now the discs are quite unique just because they almost look like a little small frisbee. So you can imagine them the way they shoot, they can go for a far amount of distance. Now as we rotate it on the back here, it kind of talks about a little bit more in terms of detail. Obviously this is how the gun looks put together, and then you do get the disc drum, and it shows a little small image how it kind of stacks up. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing next and see what it looks like underneath. Alright, so this here is a quick little instruction guide. Now these here are the discs. They're actually like a little small plastic piece that have a rubber compound. So I believe they just go ahead and slide right in just like this, and then you just go ahead and push it in just like that, and then you go ahead and load up 19 of them. So let's go and do that. So that's 19 right there, and then from there what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull on this switch over here, and this will go ahead and advance the drum to the next one. So now if I push down on it, I can go ahead and reload it again. Alright, so we're all set and ready to go. So the way this thing kind of loads up is quite simple. So you just go ahead and slide it in, and you'll hear it click. And then from there, you just go ahead and use this little pump right over here and just kind of bring it back and bring it forward. And then as soon as I push the trigger, it'll go ahead and fire it just like that. Alright, so this here is the Vortex VTX Vigilon. Almost looks like a pistol, but it's got this crazy front contraction here. Literally it holds the ammo and fires these cool looking discs, which you can see down here. Now it shoots 5 discs at a time, which is really crazy, so I'm really excited to see how that plays out. And you do get 10 discs total. Now this image here kind of shows you exactly how it looks like when you're using it. And then on the back here, it shows you exactly more in terms of detail. So it does have an internal clip, which you can see right here. So you can go ahead and store the ammo on the inside, which is really nice. So you don't have to reload it constantly. And you can even do a trick shot that shoots 5 discs at a time. So that should be quite interesting as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's on the inside. Alright, so we get ourselves a quick little instruction manual, kind of explaining exactly how to go ahead and load this up and fire. Now, the concept of it's really simple. So this here's our gun. It's got a very nice lightweight feel to it here, and then just going to pull this trigger down here. Inside here, you load up your cartridges. So we go ahead and load up 5 really quick. Alright, and then we're going to close the door just like that, and we're ready to go. Now, in order to go ahead and use it, we just go ahead and pull this back here, and we'll go ahead and load up the discs next. And then from there, you just go ahead and fire it. And there you have it. It's actually a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and put this to the test as well and see what this is all about. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try some styrofoam cups now and see if this works. We're going to load it in. And so we're going to fire from the left side first. Oh! It's actually kind of fun. Oh, so yeah, as you can tell, you can ricochet against the wall. So let me see if I can bounce it. Oh. Close. But yeah, it kind of gives you an idea of how this works out. Alright, so let's go ahead and try out against some styrofoam cups here and see if this gun can actually knock them out. Oh, okay, so it's a little bit hard to... Oh, check that out. So as you see, that as a ricochet shot, it literally shot it against the wall. Let's try that again. Oh! So it kind of gives you an interesting concept using it as a disc. But yeah, kind of give you an idea of what these guns are about. Obviously, you know, they're a lot of fun to play with, especially when you go and stack different things. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, if you had any questions about either of these guns, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.